Hello guys, good morning. How are you? I hope everyone is good. So look who is with me, the gentleman from Philippines. How are you, man?
Good.
Where are you from?
Philippines.
How long you in Saudi Arabia?
1 year.
Almost 1 year.
Yeah.
What about before? Did you work before in Saudi Arabia?
Yes.
Where?
Here also in Medina.
Medina, mashallah. You guys know the Medina is amazing place for Muslim people, I'm right? So how long you would stay in Medina?
4 years.
Oh my god, 4 years. So in Saudi Arabia almost 5 years.
Yeah.
That's great. Which company is better for you? Before in Medina or in the Tamimi company?
I think same, but now it's better. Tamimi.
Tamimi is better?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What's better for you? Like food or the salary?
Or food and salaries. I
Both.
think no, salary is better from in.
Here is better
Tamimi.
or there is better?
Food is better in
Medina.
oil company.
Okay. And the
But
salary?
salary is here.
Salary is better here.
Yeah, better here.
Okay. Amazing, man. Nice to
Yeah.
meet you, man. And when you go vacation?
After 1 year,
After 1 year.
Yeah.
So next year.
next year.
Amazing, man. I'm going vacation. You know when?
When?
So it's May, June 5, inshallah.
June 5?
Yes.
You already.
I didn't buy the ticket, but I'll buy ticket.
You
June
already
5.
bought ticket or
No, I didn't buy. Company will provide me ticket.
Yeah.
So I don't need to buy. Now the ticket is expensive, you know. So company will buy for me.
Pesos every 1 year, right?
Yeah. So thank you, and inshallah, April, May, June 5, inshallah, I'll be in Bangladesh.
Yeah. 2 months, 1 month.
2.5 months.
2.5?
Because I didn't go almost
Before?
2 years, no.
So
So every years you can go for 1 month. 1 month like 10 days.
Yeah.
10 days renti, so 40 days, 45 days. 40 days you can go for 1 year. So I didn't go for 2 years, so I can go for 75 days.
Yeah.
So
So good luck. Enjoy
Yeah.
your vacation.
thank you so much. Anything else you want to say? You want to tell me something about me?
Just enjoy.
Enjoy what?
Travel.
The vacation?
Yeah, vacation
Okay.
and rest. Yeah, of course.
Okay, thank you, man. Thank you so much. Have a great day, man. Thank you.